Hello 5th class, this is page 138, question 11. Right, let's get stuck in. 7 nines are 63, carry my 6, 6 nines are 54 and 6 is 60, 9 ones are 9 and 6 is 15. 0. 3 sevens are 21, 3 sixes is 18 and 2 is 20, 3 ones are 3 and 2 is 5. So altogether 3156 grams. So it filled 6.513 kg before it broke down. Let's take this away. So there's a 9, 10 becomes a 9. 10 take away 3 is 7, 9 take away 1 is 8, 9 take away 5 is 4, decimal point, 9 from 6 is 3, and there's a 1. 13.487 kilograms is my answer.